is, right? Between the Olympics coming, which is huge here, right? And the Thunder on their way back up, which is huge. And then the Sooners going to the SEC.
We got a lot to look forward to.
There's a lot going on, and it's all good.
And all the new teams coming into the Big 12 for OSU to play, it's going to be a year.
The cherry on top of the cake right there, Kevin. Thank you so much. We're going to talk about that smoke and dust and tropical moisture. I'm glad you're here. 10:17. A lot to talk about here on this late July evening. We have hazy fair skies out there. By the way, two-a-days are underway now, and some of the band camps are also underway. So these cooler temperatures are appreciated by more than just us. 76 degrees right now with a light easterly breeze running at about 6 miles an hour. Look at that morning low. 62 degrees. 1970 was a cool summer. The low was 55. Wow. And 1998 was a hot summer. A lot of you might remember that. 105. Our daytime high today was just 87. So July at Will Rogers, temperature-wise so far, slightly cooler than normal. That's right. Through today's date, 0.3 degrees cooler than normal. The average temperature has been 81.1, and it's been wetter than normal so far, about 3.2 inches of rainfall. El Reno now already down to 73 with Gary. Watonga 79. It's in the mid-70s in Del City and Midwest City. A pair of 77s in Stillwater and T-Town. 78 in Ponca City, and Clinton and Weatherford are 77. So here's the smoke. Big fires in Oregon, big fires in Washington, big fires up here in British Columbia. The jet stream flows coming in from the north, and then it kind of pivots as it moves into Oklahoma. So that's why the smoke kind of thins out. But that is the reason for some of the haze today. And near that pivot point, which is right over Oklahoma, we have flow coming up from the south across Texas into Oklahoma. And look at that swirl. That's not a hurricane. That's a big mid-level, atmospheric level area of sand and dust that came off the Sahara of Africa. It comes all the way across the Atlantic Basin, all the way into the Gulf of Mexico. Look at it, turn the corner. See there? Turn the corner and head up into Oklahoma. Another reason why it's so hazy out there. Then we have this tropical moisture. It's very quiet out there right now, but this is going to make a move toward the eastern parts of our state for Friday. And for Saturday, there will be locally heavy rainfall possible then. The metro, though, a real thin 20% rain chance later Friday and Saturday. That's not very much. 67 for low tonight, so we'll call it briefly cool and warm tomorrow, but not really hot by late July standards. A high of about 90. Dallas 90. Branson still just 86. Not a whole lot of wind around, and also basically totally dry. Here's the rainfall from now through late tomorrow. Only in southeast Oklahoma in just a bit. Late tomorrow through late Thursday, just a little bit more rain. You see that right there. And then Friday into Saturday, you see better amounts lift up from East Texas and Louisiana with a chance of locally heavy rainfall in places like Oologah and Gibson and Grand and Tenkiller and Eufaula and down toward Worcester and Broken Bow on Friday and Saturday. Don't change any plans, but it may try to rain with a fair amount of cloud cover the way it looks in that time frame. 67 degrees for a low, 64 in El Reno tonight, 66 in Kingfisher, so this is nice. Midwest City, Del City, 67, mostly mid-60s. And for tomorrow, 90, hazy sunshine, a light easterly breeze all day long, and metro highs very close to 90, metro-wide, and statewide from the mid-80s over in eastern Oklahoma. You see that right here, 85 in Idabel, to the mid-90s in the southwest parts of our state for tomorrow. But by late July standards, those are all cooler than normal. 11-day forecast here for you. 67 to 90 for tomorrow, light winds, hazy sunshine. 70 to 91, light winds on Thursday. So not much of a warm-up. We'll actually level off or go down a few degrees on Friday. That's that tropical moisture, and Saturday as well, 20%. Then the heat dome does come back toward the 1st of August. And high temperatures are going to jump mid-90s and some upper 90s, more of a south wind, not as cool at night on that 7-day plus 4 this evening.